Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. Today we will learn about the wiring method of shaded pole motors. Shaded pole motor is a special structure asynchronous motor. Its distinctive feature is that the outside of the rotor is covered with a shade pole made of conductive material. When working, the shaded pole motor uses the rotating magnetic field to induce current in the shaded pole, thereby forming an auxiliary magnetic field, which enhances the performance and efficiency of the motor. Now we will demonstrate the wiring method of shaded pole motors. Common products equipped with shaded pole motors include Q motors, 4656 and 9656 compact fan series. Now we will demonstrate the wiring method of the Q motor. The yellow and green wires are connected to the ground wire P. The blue wire is connected to the live wire L. The brown wire is connected to the neutral wire N. Next, we will demonstrate the wiring method of 4656. The blue wire is connected to the live wire L. The brown wire is connected to the neutral wire N. Have you got it? Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.